Today we'll be checking out the plugin that's the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace pre-order plugin. Now this plugin allows in the creation of orders for the products that are out of stock or have not yet been released yet within your store, and this plugin also allows the marketplace buyers to purchase the out of stock products. Now using this particular plugin, you'll be able to set up the pre-order for the products there, and the registered users can order out of stock products. The pre-order plugin works with the different type of products that are simple, downloadable, virtual, and the configurable as well. And apart from that, both the admin and the marketplace vendors can set a custom percentage of the amount to be paid for the pre-order product, or the complete payment method can be set for being used along with the pre-order itself. And the marketplace admin as well as the admin as well as the marketplace sellers can also set up the pre-order status and the availability date for the pre-order products there. Now right now you can see that I'm at the storefront. I've not logged into my customer account and I'm on one of the pages, or what we see on one of the products here, that's a pre-order product. So here you can see that we have a pre-order button. Now I'll be showing you the workflow of the storefront of the customer, wherein he'll be able to pay a fixed amount, or can make a partial payment or the complete payment as we say, so as to get the pre-order product. So I'll just be showing you both of those things, and then we'll be checking out how the marketplace vendors can set up the pre-order production of their account, and the same goes for the admin as well. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. So I've not logged into my account here, so I have a certain limited amount of info for the pre-order product. Let me go ahead and let me pre-order this product. So I'll just tap here on the pre-order button. Now this would add it into the cart. I'll be checking in my account in a while, so let me go ahead and let me sign into my account first, and thereafter we'll just proceed further. So I'll just log into my customer account. Here's the pre-order product. Let me tap on the pre-order. This adds the product into the cart. So now right now we can see that we need to pay the 50% as the pre-order. So let's go ahead and let's see how a customer can complete a pre-order by initially paying a set amount, and the rest of the amount after the product comes into the stock. So I'll just make the quantity here as 1. Let's update that, and let's tap here on the proceed to checkout button. Now we'll be redirected to the checkout page, and from there we'll be able to place the order for the pre-order product by making a payment of the initial amount. That's the 50% of the product there, and let me choose one of the shipping methods, and then we'll be just choosing the what we say as the payment method, and can proceed further. So let me choose Frenet as the shipping method. Let's tap next. So here I'm at the checkout. Let me choose one of the payment methods to place the order for this particular product. That's a pre-order product. Let's place the order. So we'll be paying what we say as the 50%. So the actual product price is $100. We are going to pay 50%. That's $50 as you can see here. Alright, we have made the payment. Let's check the order number 410. And now the customer can see the order number 410 as here, and you can see that's a message at the top that says that you can purchase or complete the pre-order product whenever the product comes back into stock. So you can see that we have right now pre-ordered the product by paying an initial amount there. So here you can see that pre-order pending is being shown under this section here, and we have made the payment of $50. Now whenever the product comes back into stock, now right now you can see that the customer can see the order details for 410, and here it says pre-order pending. Now whenever the product comes back into stock, the customer would be notified, and the customer would have another button here to complete the rest of the payment there. So let me get ahead and let me show you how the customer can do that. So let me make the product into stock first. That's the gray t-shirt. Also, kindly note that whenever the product comes back into stock, an email is sent out to the customer. The admin has the option to choose the preferred mode of email as automatic or manual whenever the product gets into stock. And the admin, if chooses manual option, then the admin would have to manually send the mail to the customers whenever the product comes back into stock. So now let's get ahead and let's see when the product comes back into stock, what different options can the customer see under here. Now let me refresh the page. So the customer receives an email with the details of the completion of the pre-order whenever the product comes back into stock. So I've just refreshed the page, and now you can see this message that you can complete this pre-order product. And here we have the pre-order as pending, and here we have a complete pre-order option. And now we need to make the rest of the payment the rest of the 50% payment. So the customer just needs to tap here on the complete pre-order button, and that would add the product into the cart to complete the pre-order. And the pre-order product name is gray t-shirt. The order reference is 410. That was the initial order that we placed. And right now we are going to make the rest of the 50%. That's the $50 payment for this pre-order product, for which the marketplace vendor had set up the payment as 50% initially. So there are two ways. One is complete, one is partial payment. This is the partial payment method of paying for the pre-order product. And now lastly, let's place the order for the $50, and that would complete our pre-order purchase. And now let's check the order number 411 for the pre-order purchase. You can see that the pre-order product details are here, and sold by the order reference number, and we have completed the pre-order, and we have made the rest of the payment for $50 here, as you can see. So that's how the customers can easily add the products into the cart, and depending upon the method of payment for the pre-order product, they can make a partial payment initially, and whenever the product comes back into stock, they get an email with the details of the same, that the product is in stock now, and then they can proceed further to make the rest of the payment there for the pre-order product, and then it's shipped out to the customers by the vendors. Now in the case of complete payment, you'll have to make the complete payment for the pre-order product at the same time, and then whenever the pre-order product is back in stock, then the seller basically directly ships it out to the customer's address. Now I'll show you the complete payment as well for a better understanding there. So let me go ahead and let me add one of the pre-order products with complete booking into the cart, and then we'll be making a checkout thereafter. Now this is an example of the pre-order product wherein we need to make the complete payment initially itself. So here's the product name, here's the pre-order label here, and pre-order this product, this label can be seen, and here we have the availability date of this pre-order product. Actually I had not said that on the previous product that I showed you for the partial payment there. Now for this complete one, you can see that we need to pay the $89. It would be available on January 28, 2020. So let's tap here on the pre-order. It would be added into the cart, and thereafter the customer can make a checkout. So here is the pre-order product that we have. I can also tap here on the view and edit cart link, and then we can check the pre-order product within the cart itself. So here's our pre-order product. Let's proceed to checkout and make the complete payment of $89 for this product. And whenever there's the availability date, it's on the 28th of January. So at that day, the vendor would ship out the pre-order product to the customer's address very easily after that. So let's get ahead and let's choose the shipping method, and then choosing the payment method, and we'll be placing the order. Let's choose this, place order. Order summary, we have the pre-order product here within the same. Let's check the order details. So you can see that it would be done or finished whenever the product is back in stock, and it says pre-order is pending for this one. So as soon as on 28th it comes back into stock, it will be shipped, and the what we say as the status here would change to complete itself. So that's how the customers can place your order for the partial payment as well as for the complete payment. Now let me show you how the vendors would be able to set up the pre-order to their products. So under their marketplace menu option on the left hand side, they'll have to navigate to the section that's the pre-order management. Under that they have two sections. One is the configuration and the other one is orders. Let me open them up. Let's go to the configuration first. So here on the configuration page, the marketplace vendors can set up the pre-order payment type, whether it's a complete payment or it's the percentage payment. In the case of complete payment, you don't need to set up any other option there. Otherwise, if you choose a percentage payment, then you'll have to set up the percentage payment accepted for the pre-order of the pre-order product. So whatever value you enter here would be the percentage of the product price there. Then the vendors can choose to enable the pre-order for per product. If they choose for per product, then they'll have to go to each of the products and set the availability date, set it as out of stock, and enable the pre-order for the product there. For all product, it would apply the pre-order to all of the products of the marketplace vendor. If you want to have only for the few products, you can tap here on the few products, and then you can enable the pre-order for these products by entering their data here separated by comma, and you can use the product SKUs for which you want to enable the pre-order. Similarly, you can go for all products except some. So for the product for which you want to disable the pre-order, you can enter the SKU of those here separated by comma there. You can set up the custom message to display on the pre-order products. So this is a message that we were seeing on the pre-order product itself. The marketplace vendors can also choose to send the email to the customers whenever the product is in stock in the automatic mode or manual mode. So in the automatically on the day when the product comes back into stock, an email is sent out to the customer. Otherwise, you'll have to manually send the notifications to the for the pre-order to the customers that the products are back into stock. So I'll just show you that how we can do that. You can choose to set up the pre-order quantity. If you choose a enable, then a text field is shown to the to enter the pre-order quantity for a product. Otherwise, you can set it as disabled. You can choose the buyer specification as all or the pre-order buyers. So if you choose this option as pre-order buyers, then only those buyers will be allowed to complete the pre-orders who have done the pre-order on that particular product. Otherwise, it would allow all of the customers to complete a pre-order there. So that's the basic settings here. Now all of the pre-order orders are being displayed to the marketplace vendors under the orders section for here. So under the pre-order management, we have the orders section. So if we go to the orders section, we'll find a complete list of the pre-orders that have been placed for this marketplace vendors products. So you can see the details of the same. You can also filter out the pre-orders using the order ID, the date from and to values, the notifications status, whether notified or not notified. And from here you'll able to manually send the notifications if you haven't yet automatically sent out. So you'll have to choose those orders, tap on the send email. Whenever the product comes back into stock on the day, you can send the emails to the customers manually from this particular section. So here you can see the order IDs, the paid amount, the remaining amount, whether notified or not, the status, and the purchase date for each. So that's the marketplace vendors and how they can configure the pre-order, and how they can check the orders and can send the notification messages to the customers. And to check the orders, you'll just have to tap here on the order ID, and that particular pre-order order details will be fetched and displayed to the marketplace vendors, and from there they can complete the orders as required. So here you can see the details of the product as well. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel, but before that, kindly note that this particular plugin works completely fine with the simple, virtual, downloadable, configurable Magento 2 product type. So you can apply the pre-order to any of those as well. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel. Let's see the rest of the settings there. Alright, one more thing is that for example, if you have chosen enable pre-order per product. What happens in that case? So in that case, what you need to do is you need to manually enable the pre-order for the product. So you'll have to go to my product list, and from here you can enable the pre-order for any of the products there. So you'll edit that particular product for which you want to add the pre-orders. You can do it to a newly added product as well, and then you'll have to scroll down, and first what you need to do is you'll have to set up the stock availability as out of stock. Scroll down, come to the section for the pre-order status, make it as enabled. Choose the pre-order product availability date, when it would be available, the maximum pre-order product quantity that can be purchased, and then just tap here on the save button. Okay, and let me save that up, and then this product would be created into a pre-order product. Let me show you this product at the storefront right now, and before checking it out, let's make the pre-order type as partial payment for this one. Like for the configuration complete, I'll set it as 50%, and let's save this. And now let me go back to that particular product. So let me open the product now. So here you can see that now we have set the pre-order on this. We can pay 50% as partial payment. The pre-order label, this is the text, pre-order this product, we'll get back to soon, available on date, and the pre-order button itself. Now let's go to the admin backend panel. So I'll just log into my admin backend panel by entering my username and my password. After login, we'll just make the initial configurations first. So for that, we'll navigate through stores and then configuration. On the configuration page under the Webkul block, we'll now go to the Marketplace PreOrder. We'll just tap on that, and that would bring up the configuration settings for the same. Now here for the Marketplace PreOrder general setting, you can see that the admin also has the same settings, wherein the admin can choose a complete payment mode for the pre-order product before the pre-order product gets available in the market, and we have a percentage payment to make the set percentage type. So if you choose it as complete, then the complete payment needs to be paid. Otherwise, if you choose it as percentage payment, then the admin needs to set up the percentage payment accepted for the pre-order product. And then the admin can choose to enable the pre-order for per product. Then he'll have to go to each of the products, set them up as out of stock, set the availability date, the number of pre-order products that can be purchased by the customer, and enable the pre-order for the same. Otherwise, he can choose all products to enable the pre-order for all of the products within the catalog there. If he wants to choose only 5 products, then he can choose 5 products. Now on the products for which he wants to enable the pre-order, he'll have to enter the SKU separated by the commas here, and same goes for the all products except some. And for the products, all of the products can be applied with the pre-order, and for which you do not want to apply the pre-order, you'll have to enter those products SKU separated by a comma within this particular section. Then the admin can set up the custom message to display on the pre-order product. For example, we can set it as pre-order available. Here the admin can choose the email, whether it should be sent out to the customers automatically or manually whenever the product is in stock. To choose automatic, you can set it as automatic, so whenever the product comes back into stock, an email is sent out to the customer. Otherwise, if you choose it as manual, then the pre-orders would be checked by the admin, and then the admin can send the pre-order mail manually to the customers. Apart from that, the admin can set up the pre-order quantity as enable or disable. Enable allows entering the stock that you want to purchase for the pre-order. Otherwise, we don't have that option to enter the stock quantity if chosen as disabled. Or we can choose the buyer specification as all or pre-order buyers. All allows all of the buyers to complete the pre-orders. Otherwise, pre-order buyers option if chosen for the buyer specification. What happens is that only the buyers who have already made what we say as who have already done a pre-order on a particular product can complete the pre-order itself. Then the admin can set the product in stock email statement, so the chosen one will be sent out to the customers whenever the product is in stock. Apart from that, the admin can choose the frequency and the start time for the cron settings to set up the respective notifications. Now let's see how the marketplace admin can apply the pre-order if you have chosen this as per product. All right, so we'll just go to catalog and then product. So this can be done to already created products or to new products as well. So for now I'll be showing you it for the already created products. So let's edit this red t-shirt and let's apply the pre-order to it if you've chosen it as per product there. Now to set the pre-order on this product, what we'll have to do is we'll have to make it as out of stock. So first of all, we'll make it the stock status as out of stock. We'll scroll down and we'll have to enable the pre-order status for this particular plugin for this particular product. So we'll enable that up, and then we'll set up the marketplace pre-order product availability date when it will be available. We'll set up the maximum pre-order product quantity that can be purchased, and thereafter we'll have to tap here in the save button. So that's how we can add the pre-order to per product. And let's check this product at the storefront now. So let me search the product and let's see how the admin's pre-order product gets visible at the storefront. So here as well you can see a pre-order. If I hover my mouse, I'll just show you in a second. So here's the pre-order being applied to this particular product. So if I go back, we can also see the pre-order on the catalog page as well. So here if I scroll my mouse, you can see it says pre-order. Now let's go back to the admin backend panel. Now after the pre-orders have been placed, the admin can find the pre-orders by navigating through marketplace management and then pre-order menu, view pre-order list. Now this marketplace pre-order plugin is an add-on to the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So you'll have to have that initially, and then you can make the multi-vendor marketplace pre-order plugin. Now let me show you the pre-order list of the orders that have been placed for the pre-order product. So is the headphone. So from here the admin can check the details of the orders as well as required, and can see the rest of the details as well. He can also send the stock notification email to any of the customers here by choosing them up or in bulk as required there, and then from the drop down choosing the send stock email and tapping OK on the prompt button there itself. So that's how the marketplace admin can also set up the complete or the partial payment to his products or to his pre-order products. So that was much about the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace pre-order plugin. I hope it helped you out to get an overview of how it works, and for more details you can check the user guide, the store link and the live demo for a better understanding. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or maybe you have any requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul.uedes.com, or contact us through webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great